This what happens when you crack your knuckles. That loud popping sound can feel a little worrying, but it's not your bones breaking. Inside your joints, there's a fluid that helps them move smoothly. That fluid contains gases like oxygen and nitrogen. When you stretch or pull your fingers, you suddenly change the pressure inside the joint. And because of that pressure change, tiny gas bubbles form and then collapse almost instantly. That collapse is what creates the pop sound you hear. So what you're really hearing isn't damage. It's a rapid shift of pressure inside your joints. That's also why you usually can't crack the same knuckle again right away. The gases need time to build back up. So even though it sounds intense, it's mostly just your body's normal mechanics at work.